Good morning. We are shelling on Sanibel Island. Yes, please. And we are slowly walking back to our hotel. We're gonna go out for an early lunch. We've got a whole basket of goodies. I'll wash them later after lunch. It's Saturday. We kind of want to get to the place before it gets too crazy crowded. And it is just a beautiful low tide this morning. We are finding all kinds. Oh, look at that. Robert just found a perfect little whelk. Awesome. Finding all kinds of goodies this morning. This is our third morning walking here, and this is definitely the best morning so far. This trip. We come to Sanibel a lot. So that's why you're like, why are you not picking up every show? Did I mention we come to Sanibel a lot? So we're a little more, that is a very nice one. A little more picky on what we pick up. Just working our way, oh look at him, beautiful dog. Just working our way back to our hotel. He's like, I want to say hi. Can you say hi? It is a turkey. It is a turkey wing. Business-wise, what I did the other day, she should get it today. You didn't give a refund yet, did you? That's good. You didn't give a refund, did you? No. Then yeah, that's awesome. Yep. Said expected arrival January 2nd. Oh, that's very nice. Yes, I've been keeping those clams. They're like see-through clams. It works sometimes. It doesn't always work. I feel like they're being judged by higher up. You know, sometimes it truly is lost. Sometimes there really is thieves in the postal system. Sorry, we're just side topic. Anyway, back to shelling. So this is a stretch of like no shell piles. But we could walk up to something nice, so I will keep recording. There's a nice pink purple scallop. I'll pick that one up. There's an oyster. Yes, it is pretty barren along here. Are we close to our hotel? I can't tell. Up here it looks like a good section of a mixture. Oh, there's a sea urchin. Is he alive or is he dead? Let's see, is he alive or is he dead? He's alive. Let me go put him back in the water. All right. Well, he was still alive. If you touch around the mouth and the quills move, still has a fighting chance. I have kept a lot of sea urchin this trip, but they've all been dead. That's an interesting barnacle bob.
Oh my god.
There's a fish. Oh, that would have been nice. Someone bit him. Olive. They're all pretty beat up all of a sudden. Beat up tulip. Pin shell. Oh, another mussel for my collection.
Oh, that's a good one. And that one really varies in color.
Yeah, it does. This one has a break in it, but I don't care. I'll keep that one too. Some pretty cool shells. Happy New Year, everyone.